Hello friends, welcome to my Technophonology YouTube channel. In this video I am discuss about one-click social review and my special bonuses. This is my bonus page. I give you link of this page in description of this video. You go there and click on this link and you grab your special bonuses. So now I am discuss about one click social. This is my bonus page, Mitesh Instant Bonus Bundle. First, one click social is promote this brand new WordPress plugin. This is a one type of WordPress plugin that fixes what Facebook and Instagram block on these sites and stop traffic leaks and get more social traffic every single day without any manual work at all. You save lots of time by using this plugin. A must-have plugin for bloggers, content marketer, and any with a site. This plugin is very useful for bloggers and content marketer. If you buy this plugin, you click on this orange button and you grab your one-click social, this plugin. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So what is a one-click social all about? This is a WordPress plugin. Take just 30 seconds to get all your social content embeds from Facebook and Instagram working and visible again on your site, so you don't have any traffic leak and do not miss out on any social traffic. This is a very benefit for you because you don't lose your social traffic. Also make sure any future embeds from Facebook and Instagram work 100% without any issue in the future. One time you install this plugin in your WordPress site, you don't worry in future. WP plugin, WordPress plugin that can fix the Facebook and Instagram embed issue without any extra work in 3 seconds flat. You do not need any extra work for this plugin. Instantly get back all your social content on your site to work again. No manual work. So you save lots of time here. You never have to create an app or do any technical work that most other plugin need you to do this work one click fast. If you don't have any technical knowledge to any type of query, you can use this very easily. You don't need technical knowledge. Sells copy by a 7-figure copywriters and guarantee high conversion. Now I am discuss about the prices and upsells. Front end one click social price is a $24. Audio number one is a $24. You can get here the pro version upgrade with more features like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest fits into your site plus unlimited site upgrade. And now discuss about audio number 2. Price is a $37. Developers license to use one unlimited client side. You can use this for on unlimited client side, so you have a very benefit. Audio number 3 is a $47 one click social traffic. To get 10x more traffic to your site, you get more traffic so you can sell more things. This is a very benefit. Audio number 4 price is a $37. WP social contact plugin for making contact forms obsolete. Audio number 5 is a $37. Traffic for you traffic upgrade to send guaranteed traffic to your site. Audio number 6 is a $97 reseller license to sell unlimited copies of our plugin, and you can earn lots of bucks of money Here are some key benefit you may be interested in getting. Fix your site fast in just a 10 second. So you save lots of time here. Stop all your social content from disappearing. No manual work at all. Let's say save hours of time. Stop losing social traffic. Fix your site now, and all your broken pages and posts will start working again. This is very benefit for you. Your site will stop leaking traffic. What the demo video of one click social below. You click on this, you click on here and watch the demo video now. How can work one click social plugin? So you install in WordPress site. You install this plugin in WordPress site and continue as good, sir. So you will listen and watch this demo video. You understood 100%. If you want to buy, you click on this button. You click here to secure a copy and your bonuses. Get one click social now and get all the bonuses below. So now I am discussing about my special bonuses now. Bonus number 1, value is $97. Is WP left behind. This plugin is a very useful for more sales. You use it and get more traffic to write pages, and you take customer to your order buttons, and you get more sales and earn lots of money. So click on this button and you click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Now discuss about the bonus number 2. Is value is a $97. Name is a WP IM Marketing Graphics. So you no need buy graphics of huge money. This plugin you easily add graphics for your WordPress post. Now I am discuss about bonus number 3. Value is $97. WP Checkout Maximizer. This is a very useful for e-commerce. Some people add product to their cart but never check out. This plugin is useful for you for check out the product. Dramatically increase your sale checkout by using this technology. This is a very useful for e-commerce site. If you want to buy this, click on this button. Click here to secure your copy and your bonus. Bonus number 4's value is $97. WP Feedback Pro. This is a very useful for you. You getting right feedback from your customer and take your product and service to very high. This plugin capture effectively right feedbacks from any customer, and this is a become key to my success. Now discuss about bonus number 5. Value is $97. WP Sales Robot. This is a very useful plugin for you. This plugin is increasing sales conversion, and you can earn lots of money. So you want to purchase this, you click on this button and you click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So you click here, so open, this is a vendor page. You look at, this is a good testimonial here. price. Single site price is a $14, 10 site license is $20, 50 site license is a $24. Here install on up to 50 sites, fix unlimited post and pages, get all your social content back in just 10 seconds, full training included, free updates for up to 1 year. 95% customers bought this. This is a good testimonial. Our 100% money back guarantee. If you don't like it, if you have any trouble using the plugin and we fail to help you resolve the issue, we will give you 100% of your money back if you ask within 30 days of your purchase. So if you want to purchase it, you click on this buy button, buy now, and you get. So this is my bonus page. I give you link in the description of this video. You go there and click on this link and you purchase it, and you also get my special bonuses now. So thank you for taking the time to check my review and bonuses to your success.